Practice Test 5. Part 4. Question 44. How are 120 volt to 24 volt transformers rated for capacity? Watts. 120 volt into 24 volt transformers rated for capacity watts. Watts are rating of capacity for 120 volt to 24 volt transformers. Question 45. Why is a 24 volt circuit used? Thermostat points are longer lasting. A 24 volt circuit used because thermostat points are longer lasting. Thermostat points are longer lasting in 24 volt circuit. Question 46. The limit controls are located in what circuits? 24 volts. 24 volt circuits are where limit controls are located. Limit controls are located in 24 volt circuits. Question 47. Which of the following instruments can be used to check amps, volts and ohms? Multimeter. A multimeter can be used to check amps, volts and ohms. To check amps, volts and ohms, use a multimeter. Question 48. When referring to motors, the abbreviation LRA means locked rotor amperes. LRA, abbreviation on motors means locked rotor amperes. Motor abbreviation LRA, locked rotor amperes. Question 49. What is the output if a motor receiving 8 horsepower delivers 6.8 horsepower of work? 85%. A motor receiving 8 horsepower delivers 6.8 horsepower of work, output 85%. Motor receiving 8 horsepower delivers 6.8 horsepower of work, output 85%. Question 50. In order to change exhaust into air, 2 blower fans are installed in a building. If one of the fans is not working properly, the CFM of the working fan compared to the capacity of the 2 is 50%. 2 fans, and one is not working, the CFM capacity is 50%. 2 exhaust blower fans. One is not working. CFM work capacity reduced by 50%. Question 51. Given an air conditioning unit rated at 100% load and a heating coil rated at 65% load, if a heat pump is used to replace the heating coil, what will be its load rating? 65%. Heating coil rated at 65% load. If a heat pump replaces the heating coil, load rating is 65%, same as heat pump it replaces. AC unit rated 100% load, heating coil rated 65% load. Heat pump replaces heating coil, its load rating, 65%. Question 52. Given an air conditioning unit is rated at 100% load and a heating coil rated at 65% load, if a heating pump is used to replace the air conditioning unit, what will be its new rating? 100%. Air conditioning unit rated at 100% load, if a heating pump replaces the air conditioning unit, its new rating, 100%. Same as air conditioning it replaces. AC unit rated at 100% load. Heat coil rated 65% load. Heating pump replaces AC unit, its new rating is 100%. Question 53. An ohm meter is used on what type of circuit? Deenergized circuits. Ohm meter is used on deenergized circuits. Use ohm meter on deenergized circuits. Question 54. What instrument should be used to measure true power? Wattmeter. Wattmeter is used to measure true power. To measure true power, use wattmeter. Question 55. To control humidity, use a humidistat. Use a humidistat to control humidity. To control humidity, use humidistat. Question 56. In an electrical box, 4-inch square, 1¼ inch deep, how many number 12 wire conductors are permitted? 8. 4x4 by 1¼ deep box can fit 8 number 12 wire conductors. 4x4 by 1¼ deep box allow 8 number 12 wires.